Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can set daily time limit on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on time spent. After that, you can see the option of daily limit. Tap on it. Then select time. Here I am selecting 2 hours. After that, tap on turn on. So, this is how you can set daily limit on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.